Step 1. Open Photoshop and load your image. Step 2. Select the background eraser tool. On the top bar, set sampling to once and limits to discontiguous. Step 3. Click on the black background and start erasing. Just hold the left mouse button and move around. Use the bracket keys open or close to resize your eraser as needed. Step 4. Now reduce the fish layer's opacity to 80% for a more natural blend. Step 5. Go to the bottom. From the drop-down, select the Filmstock look. And boom, your fish is swimming naturally into the ocean scene. Step 7. Go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Choose JPEG or PNG and save your image. Step 8. Head over to ChatGPT, upload your saved fish image, and ask, "Hi, please create a video prompt for this image of a moving fish in the beautiful blue sea." Step 9. Copy the generated prompt. Step 10. Open Adobe Firefly, select Image to Video, AI, upload your fish image, paste the prompt and click Generate. Boom! Your AI-generated video is ready to preview. Step 12. Click the download button to save your video. You're done! Like, share, and follow PX Mentor for more Photoshop power moves.